games that people try to play, these games that these on, I'm not on it. Sorry, please, why do you want to play with my heart? Leave me alone. I'm in the corner chilling. I'm filming an intro for this video. I just clocked. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm filming the intro now. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Life of Ours here, aka Alison. How can I forget my name? AKA Alison, your favourite YouTuber. This video is going to be a chit chat, get ready with me, and I'm doing my makeup, which is my everyday makeup. I'm taking pictures after this. I'm going to be talking some juicy girl talk. I'm going to talk situationships, friends with benefits. We're just going to, little quick easy one, nothing too heavy. Do you like my mug? It says switch my wig, make him feel like you're cheating. This was my Secret Santa present from my babes, my work babe Stacey. This is just so fitting, literally switch my wig, make him feel like you're cheating. This is excellent stuff, mate. Let's get on with the video, shall we? Hi guys, right, let me start with my foundation. Let me get that out of the way. For foundation today, I'm just gonna go with my Maybelline FitMe in 356. Oh, I think I put too much at the back of my hand. Okay, cool. Hair's all pinned back. Let's get started, shall we? Let's get this started. Okay, cool. I want to do like a really juicy, girly chit chat with you guys. I feel like I haven't actually come and sat down and spoken to you lot properly in a minute. It's been a while, guys. Like, so I've just done my makeup, sat with you guys, spoken about my tea. I'm not someone that usually likes to spill their tea like that, but as I'm growing, I'm open to being a bit more open. Not too open, because you can't all be up in my business, but a little bit more open than I have previously been in the past. Let me do my base actually. Let me just do my foundation and then we'll get on to what I want to speak about first. Let me just quickly whiz through my foundation so I can get that out the way and then we'll start talking. So let's talk about my favourite topic. Oh, my favourite topic. My favourite topic. Situationships. My, where do I begin when it comes to situationships? Ooh, baby. I want to start by saying things like situationships, talking stages, all that jazz, yeah. I really believe it is a social construct that women have somehow fallen for. They don't exist. Like, I can honestly say I've never had a situationship, like, because I don't subscribe to these stupid things, talking stage, situationship, because I am very, very black and white. Like, with me, it's either we together or we're not. There is no like in between when it comes to me. Like, I'm very not strict, yeah, but like very, I'll say I'm very militant when it comes to that kind of stuff, innit? Like, I don't really play them kind of games where it's just like, we're kind of together but we're not together, and no, what is that? No, I don't. Who are you trying to play them kind of games with, boy? Like, For me, it's either we're together or we are not. Like, I've had discussions about this with men and women so many times, and all this jazz about, oh, being bare loyal to someone and cutting off all your options for someone that hasn't made you their girlfriend is just absolute jazz to me. Sorry, absolute jazz. Like, you will not catch me cutting off all my links for a man that has not officially tried to commit to me or ask me to be his girlfriend. You must be crazy. First of all, there's no guarantee I'll get those links back if things go tits up. That's just number one. Just keep it a buck here. I just find that, like, it's just very cheeky and bold, and I feel like you'll see girls arguing for it, like, but how, like, why, what's the point of talking to someone if you're talking to other people? That's what talking to someone's all about. It's about getting to know someone and keeping your options open. In a month's time, I might not even like you anymore. You might give me the ick next week and I've cut off all my links for what? You might give me the ick next week and I've cut off all my links for what? What was the point? What was the reason? I'm just gonna quickly do my brows and then we'll carry on talking, because I can't do my brows and talk at the same time. So I'm gonna do my brows, then you know, I'll keep talking again. Eyebrows done. Let's get back into our chit chat. So yeah, as I was saying, I don't understand situationships, how they work, what they are. I can't even tell you what a situationship is. To me, my understanding of situationship is a situation where two people are together, they do everything that couples do, but then usually usually the man, because you know that's just how things tend to work nowadays, doesn't want to commit. So it's like he's really just getting the milk without buying the cow, and I just feel like this is such a scam. For me, I feel like I'm quite firm and rigid with these things. I make it quite clear, like, bro, we're either together or we're not. There is no, you're not gonna have the benefit of having me around and make me be bare loyal to you for nothing. Like, what the hell? Make me a flipping girlfriend then. What the hell? What do you think this is? Like, I dare someone to try. It never works anyway. I feel like, do you know what's so mad, yeah? I don't feel like I've ever been in a situationship, but I know I can think of like 2 guys that would defo say, if they were asked, that we were. And it's like, or that would say that we were kind of together. We weren't together. Like, we... Boy, I'm just leaving. I've heard like guys that I might have spoken to, been dealing with whatever, refer to me as someone they were with while I was with her. You weren't with me, bro. Like, we were never together. If I was never your girlfriend, we were never together, and just leave it at that. Stop claiming situationship up and down, because it wasn't a situationship to me, it was a situationship to you. Not to me though. As far as I was concerned, we weren't together. I was very much a single woman living my life. And I think for me, the reason I think situationships are a scam is because when I date properly. Like, I will be talking to other guys, I'll be going on dates with other guys as I please. You're not gonna then come to me and be like, yeah babe, it's just us two, you know the vibe. I don't know the vibe, no. Or like, another way they'll trick you into situationships is they'll be like, oh, what's understood don't need to be explained. I don't understand. Explain. Don't get it. Explain it to me. Break it down for me. I just not understood, so please explain. I asked on my Instagram, follow me on Instagram guys, I asked on my Instagram for girls to share their situationship stories, and the stories that I was getting back just confirmed to me that situationships are really a scam, and women need to stop falling for the trap. Like, some girls are talking about how like they were with a guy and then he got someone pregnant, they were with a guy in a situationship, then he wifed another girl. Like, you see what I mean? Like, for me, I just don't see what the difference between a situationship and a girlfriend fluffer is at this point. Like, I'm struggling to see what the difference is. God gives his toughest battles to his strongest soldiers, and I'm glad he recognises that I am the weak. Situationships are not for me. I am very fragile. If a man does me dirty like that and has been in a situationship for time and then wife's another girl, I think I might have a mental breakdown. I'm not. Tough battles, stronger soldiers. I'm amongst the weak. Thank you, God, for recognising that. Thank you. I think that's where sometimes we as women, I'm saying we because, you know, we all make mistakes, we go wrong. We like, a guy will tell us plain face like, I'm never going to commit to you, I don't want commitment. We'll know we want commitment. Instead of just being like, bro, that's not the vibe that I'm on, you'll be like, yeah, say me too. Not me too, nah, bro, I'm not on that, bro, I want love. Tell him that, you want love, I don't want... Like, if I know that there's potential that I like a guy, if I know there's a potential that I'm chatting to a guy and I know that, bro, this is someone I feel I could be digging, I'm not going to sit there and pretend and be like, yeah man, I'm not into all that. No, I love love. Sorry, I'm a certified lover girl. Sorry to disappoint you all. But if that's what you don't like, then go and find a certified unlover girl or something, because that's not me. Sorry. Bro. Right, I'm gonna let this bake sit for a few, then we'll be back to carry on. But I'm gonna let this bake sit, I'll be back, and then we'll carry on our discussion. I have lashes and I'm back to wipe off my bake. What was I saying? Yeah, situationships are a dub. Don't do it, guys. I don't understand. There was one story one girl was saying, and she said that she was in a situationship with someone, situationship with a guy for 2 years, then he got his BM pregnant again. I couldn't even focus on the he got his BM pregnant again. That's what men do. Men will swear blind they hate their BM and then get them pregnant again. I wasn't even too like it was the situationship for 2 years. 2 years. This is why, you see me, yeah? I'm a mad woman. After 6 months, I'm just gonna start calling you my boyfriend. It'll be like, hi boyfriend. And I just have to start calling you my boyfriend. There's no other way around it, to be honest. I'm just gonna start calling you my boyfriend. I'm gonna start telling everyone that you're my boyfriend as well. Like, not 12 years a bae. Like, no. I'm gonna just start calling you my boyfriend. I'm just gonna start calling you my boyfriend from that point forward. 6 months on, yeah, you're my boyfriend now. We go together. We are together now. Hi boyfriend. What's up? How's it going? boyfriend. Let's talk about my next topic. Let's talk about friends with benefits. Oh, friends with benefits and the ghetto that it is, guys. Let me just tell you this now, yeah? Don't do it. But my don't do it advice isn't for the typical reason of just like, oh, I caught feelings, blah, 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 blah. It's just, listen, I've come to realize with friends with benefits, yeah, guys hate it when you're on exactly what they're on. That's number one, I'll say that. I don't want anyone to come and argue with me about this. This is science at this point. They hate it when you're on what they're on. When guys realize that you for real do not want to be with them, like you have no intention of being with them, you don't want to be with them, you're just here to have a good time, suddenly it's a problem. Suddenly this friends with benefit thing doesn't work for them anymore. Like they don't feel the benefits no more. No, you have to be in love with them. They can't accept the fact that you don't want to be with them. Boy, if I start talking. As a woman, yeah, I'm telling you, your FWB situation will be going so well. You'll be thinking, yes, this is great. I'm getting my needs met. Don't have to do all the extra romance stuff, blah, 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 blah. You've picked a good candidate. You're thinking this is even a good one because you've got to pick the ones that you know, like I said, under no circumstance. You've got to scope them out and be like, will I ever like this guy? No. And for me, if I'm doing an FWB, for me, if I'm doing a friends with benefits, I'll always pick a guy that I feel like, yeah, I'm never gonna like you under no circumstance. Like I've scoped you out. You'd have to pull something out of the bag for me to ever catch feelings for you, kind of thing. Like I've made up my mind on that front. Whatever, cool. It goes tits up when I think they realise that you're actually just here for a good time. You're not here for all the extra stuff. Not the extra stuff, but like you're not interested in being with them. You're not like falling in love with them. You're not digmatized. Like you're not here for anything other than what you're here for, if you catch my drift. And it's like, I think that's where things just go wrong. And I feel like it makes me feel sometimes like these arrangements won't work for me, because it's like, I feel like the only way an FWB will work for me, if I want to do another one ever again, is I have to pretend to like the guy or pretend to be better into him. My pride won't let me do that. My pride won't let me even let you think that. It just won't let me do it. I can't even pretend to be a simp for you if I don't actually want to simp for you. Like, because then you'll go around town saying, yeah, that man was beating it, but you know, like she was proper on, man. Oh! God, no. Ooh, scary. I'm telling you now, guys love being used until they're being used. Then it's them up in the bed, clenching the covers like Eddie Murphy, thinking, this girl doesn't love me. Why does she not love me? Oh. It's nuts, because the guy might not ever be feeling you, but the simple fact, he might even feel you through, but the simple fact you don't want to be with him is going to pain him enough. And you're just thinking, bro, like I thought we were all here for the same thing. Let me not stop talking too much, because boy. But sometimes when I see guys on social media talk about these topics like, girls can't hack FWBs, girls can't hack casual sex, I think no. I think men are terrible at casual sex. Absolutely awful, because you can't win. Because when you don't like them like that and you're actually just here for what you agreed to be here for, they start moving stark raving mad. They can't take it. They start moving insane. They start moving mad. When you do like them like that, they have this weird ego trip boost and start treating you like shit. So like, how are we supposed to win? Decided I might just have to reserve sex for men that I actually love or something to save myself all this complication, because goodness gracious me. Oh, I forgot to do blush. Hang on a minute. But yeah, guys, I'm tapping out the game, bro. I'm out the game. I can't play these games with these kids no more. I feel like I was in a relationship, yeah, for 2 years. And then like the game has changed ever since I've come out. Like before I went in, the streets were kind of dying a little bit, but there was some hope. And it's like I've come out to some, I don't know what is going, games that people try to play. These games that these on, I'm not on it. Sorry, please, why do you want to play with my heart? Leave me alone. I'm in the corner chilling. Guys will be going around doing certain things, and when they find out that you're on exactly what they're on and you can play the same games they're playing back, it's a problem. Suddenly you have no heart. Suddenly you don't have feelings. Suddenly you're this and that. Suddenly, hey twin, I'm you, you're me. Like, bro, hi twin, hey. I think I want to end the chit chat here. You know, I'll just cover some 2 brief topics. It was like a quick little chit chat just so I can warm myself up for you guys. Obviously there will be more in depth, like, because I haven't done this in a while, so I'm a bit out of practice, and I don't normally do my chit chats with makeup because it's hard to do it with makeup, but we made it work. We made it work. But yeah, I've done a really clean beat today. I haven't done any mascara on the under eyes. I want to keep it really clean. For anyone that cares, you probably don't care. That's fine. If you don't care, that's fine. You don't have to care. I care. I'm just telling you guys, I wanted just a really clean under eyes. I just kept it to no mascara, just top lashes, and then we're good to go. This wig is like my favourite wig ever. This is my wig and hair. I'm going to put the link in the description box. This is my wig and hair wig, 30 inches. For those that are wondering, it's holding up very well. Still good to go. The lace hasn't been completely ripped yet because you guys know I poked like holes in this and I tore the lace by accident. Still holds up well. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Let me know your thoughts on situationships. Have you been in one? How did it end? Friends and benefits. Does it work? Does it not? Like, what do you guys think? Are we all suffering in this ghetto together? Let me know what you think. Let's talk. Sound off in the comments. I'm going to sign out now and see you in my next video. Peace out. Oh, I'm going to take pictures and then I'm signing out. Well, I'm signing out.